to my channel. Today we are going to be making something that we can use to do our cake trimming. Okay, something that makes work easier. You know, in working with cake, sometimes we need to work with speed and accuracy, and using cake trimming disc are things that help us to make our work easier and faster. Okay, so there are actually acrylic trimming discs in the market that are available, but sometimes you may not get the right size that you want, or you are maybe on a budget and you cannot really afford to get this acrylic disc at the moment. So I have good news for you. There's a way of making your acrylic disc by yourself, of course not acrylic anymore, but with a material that is going to work just like the acrylic disc work. Okay, so before we start, if you are new to this channel and you don't know what we are about, in this channel we like to work with fondant, we like to work with wafer paper, we like to work with cake recipes, we like to create solutions that make working with cake decoration easy for bakers. Okay, so if you like, or if you think you like it, then you should look below and click on the subscribe button, and also do not forget to click on the notification bell so that you will know when we post beautiful videos like this. And also we'll be happy if you will share our videos to your friends, and also don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and of course drop a comment. We would love to hear from you, and we always reply to every comment, except we do not see them. Thank you so much for supporting us, and thank you so much for taking the time to stop by. Okay, so without wasting your time, these are the materials that you will be needing. You'll be needing a ruler, you'll be needing a pair of scissors, you'll be needing a mat set, okay, and then we will be needing a straw board. Okay, so straw boards are gotten from bookshops. All you just need to do is go to a bookshop, ask them for straw board. They come in two sizes, I think, a lighter size and a thicker size, and they both come in different prices. So you can get the thicker straw board. Although this is a lighter one, the thicker one will work much better because it make it more sturdy. Okay, so in the mat set we'll be needing this. Okay, this is what will be needed, and this is called a protractor, and also we'll be needing a pencil. Okay, so this is what is used to draw shapes, and since we are dealing with maybe a round cake, okay, you'll be needing this to make your create your round circle, getting the perfect size. Okay, so you will be needing this. So if you know you don't have it, or you can quickly ask your children, or quickly dive into the bookshop and get everything you need, and then let's get started. Okay, so for whatever shape that you need to make, you can use your your compass to get the exact size. Okay, so this ruler comes the inch and the centimeters. Okay, so I'm going to be working with the inch part, so let's dive into the video immediately. The cake is 9 inches wide. Okay, so now how do you create a disc that you can use? So if you know what this is in a mat set. Okay, so if you wanted to draw a circle that is 9 inches wide, all you just need to do is put it on 4.5, and then by the time you go around, it gives you a 9 inches wide circle. But I don't want it to be 9 inches, I want it to be 8.7. okay, so all I just need to do is put it on 3. Okay, so now this is my 4.3. now all I just need to do is get a point where I can, okay, So to be sure this is 4.3, I'm going to measure it again. So now I'm just going to be drawing my circle, and then with the scissors we are going to be cutting our circle out. So we are going to be cutting 2 circles, so you may as well cut one and then use it as a template to cut the second one. Now that we have our templates, we are going to be using it to cut our or trim our cakes perfectly. So like I said, you need 2 templates. You need one for the top of your cake and the second one for the bottom of your cake. So this is me putting the first one right on top, and I'm going to be flipping the cake over and placing the second one under. So once I lift my cake up, I'm going to be placing the template below, and I'm going to be looking for something to elevate my cake. This is going to make it easy for me to trim my cake using both stencils or both stencils as my guide. So now that we have both our templates at the bottom and at the top, we are going to use our knife now and trim our cake. So remember, the templates are your guide to trimming your cake perfectly. So your knife is going to be resting against both templates, the templates that are both up and down, and then you just go ahead and trim your cake until you have completely done that. So my cake is not on a turntable. I'm using, like you saw, I used something to support it to put my cake on high up, so that elevates my cake so that I can cut my cake easily. Okay, you always need something to elevate your cake. So this is how the trimming goes. It's super easy. It makes life easy. So I'd like to know, have you ever tried using cake trimming disc before? What was your experiences? What's your experience using them? I used them, or I've used them before. Okay, it's not something I do often. I like to work with my hands, or I like to work with or without tools most times. Okay, so I can do without it, but once you start using them, you'll find out that it makes work very, very, very easy. As in, you can do so many cakes at once without, like, when you are working without this disc, you are like calculating. Okay, but with this ones, you just go around in less than 5 minutes, you are done. So what do you think? Is it something you would like to do? Okay, so like you can see, we are almost done trimming this cake. It took less than 5 minutes to do this. I think it's less than 3 minutes. I'm not too sure, but you can go back and check the timer. So if you think that you enjoyed watching this this video, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to share, drop your comments. We would like to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so. God bless you.